Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Diane and today we're going to paint a super easy little watercolour of 5 autumn coloured birds. This is a really easy warm-up or a way of trying out your new paints. So let's get started. So I thought today would be a good day to do a few little birds, and that we would have a go at doing them in autumnal colours with not very much to do with reality. So here we go. I'm painting in my VIVIVA sketchbook, and I've started off with some nice vermilion using the VIVIVA colour sheets, and then I'm going to add some burnt umber, I think, along the back line of the bird, and then we'll pop that in for his tail as well. And we'll just let that run. Then I'm going to pick up my pigment liner from Stettler, and I'm just going to pop in some very simple, very sketchy ink legs. And we'll pop in his eye like that, and in a minute I'll paint his beak. So that's number 1. Now number 2, I think we might go for burnt sienna, which is a bit more subtle than the vermilion, but still kind of autumnal, isn't it? And just make that a little bit more warm with some burnt sienna. We put some burnt sienna in for the tail as well there. Stick that there, let that bleed in a bit. And maybe a touch of vermilion, perhaps. These are imaginary birds. And then again the legs. Same thing. And I'll put the twig that they're standing on in later. I think these would make a really nice design for a bookmark or something like that, or obviously a card. Now maybe we'll do the next one in a nice red. This is crimson. And we'll put some vermilion in with that one as well. We'll put that perhaps on the breast. And I'm feeling I need a yellowish colour here now, so what can we do? Should we go for yellow ochre? I'm not quite sure what that's going to be like. Well, that's a nice brown. When you want to try out your paints, when you get some new ones, to paint something like this is a really good way of doing it. It's more interesting than just endlessly swatching the things out. And then this one, I'm going to do him in chrome yellow, which is a lovely bright yellow. And I think we'll probably have to go for vermilion on top of that. And then for the twig, just have a little bit of burnt sienna, and I will put some blue on there for the shadow. There we are. And beaks. You can change the whole expression of the bird, of the face and everything, just by altering the amount of black and white, the proportions of the white in the eye to the size of the round bit. I can't think what it's called. Hello, cat. You come to catch a bird? No. Did you flick your paw at me? Okay, so there we are, and I think we had better put a little bit of spatter on there because we Arthur. What can you do? Anyway, back to the painting. Now, I am under the impression that I need a little bit of orange for the spatter. There we are. And we wait for that to dry, and then we can rub out the pencil and see what we've got. So, yes, Kat, that was very helpful. Thanks so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and fun. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go to the website dianeantone.com to pick up your free sketches. So I'll see you again soon, and meanwhile, happy painting!